Sorry guys. We had some I don't. My name's Jen. Water bottle, and it's raining outside. Welcome to Liberty's channel. Oh my gosh. What's on my sock? Oh my gosh. Start to the video, but okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to Reborn Lover 101. You guys are the Reborn Lovers and I am the Reborn Collector. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make formula and not have to wash it out every single day. So the ingredients that you need are some liquid, glue. Dollar Tree glue is the best because it's only $1 and it's just the best. So any Dollar Tree glue, and then bottles, and then water. So let me show you the first step. The first step is, so you're gonna want to get a glass container. By the way, you have to be able to put this in the microwave. Then you're gonna put water in it. I'm putting a lot of water because I have to do a lot of formulas. So this is not enough water. Let me go get some more. Let's go get some more water, Pete. Oh wait, this is so the glue can melt. Yeah, my whole family's watching. But yeah, so let's get some water. Now you want to go put this in the microwave for 60 seconds.
Wait, why don't you go get a box of those bones in the garage?
The irritating part is we paid for that visit. Like,
That when I get them in inner ear. And when I went
He was still getting them, and they still couldn't figure out what he was it.
Okay, guys. So I got the water. And sorry I didn't talk out there. It's just I just didn't really want to. I didn't feel like it's there. Yeah, I don't know where my funnel went. But that's okay, whatever, guys. For yellow. So let me see that board. Guys, I'm going to start off with shallow bottom. Sweetie. I'm going to pour as much water.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna.
A little bit more, but whatever. And then, give me a second. I'm going to grab my glue and put as much. This glue is really watery, so it's really good. So it dissolves a lot. It dissolves way better. And the reason why we put that hot water, we warmed the water up, was because, oh my gosh, look how much bubbles there are. Was because so the glue could dissolve better. There should be a lot of bubbles, but they will pop soon. I'm just making a formula. This is one of my goals today, was to make a formula. So now I'm getting to make it. So I'm just gonna do this. Now I'm done with that. Now just do the exact same thing to these two. So Chloe drinks 2 ounces. not as much as shadow. So. And I'm going to go get more glue at Dollar Tree. Not this week, but next week. So there we go, folks. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, just make it a little bit more. A lot of people are like, you know, they make it all fancy. They get really expensive glues, and they make their bottles, and they seal their bottles with really, really expensive glues. And as you guys saw in my not my last video, but the video where I did sealing bottles, I got it at Daiso, and it was like $1.50. So there are the 2 bottles made. This one looks pink. Oh, I just dropped it. This one looks pink because it's in a pink container, and then this is what it really looks like. So now I'm going to do the last one. So let me just do that. So I don't use this bottle anymore, so I'm just doing 4 ounces because I might get a toddler. I don't know. As you guys can tell, that is basically empty. And I lost a cat for this. So, like, I'm just mixing them up. Look, I'm covering it, but really I don't need to cover it. Okay, so this is trash now. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys how to make formula really cheap, basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye, I love you guys so much for watching, but can you please get out of our face?